Start eating one pineapple daily. See what happens to your body. Pineapple is not just a delicious tropical fruit. It's also packed with incredible health benefits that can transform your body. Many people know that pineapples are sweet and refreshing, but few realize just how many powerful compounds are packed inside this juicy fruit. From boosting immunity to aiding digestion and even fighting off diseases, including cancer, eating pineapple regularly can lead to a wide range of health improvements. In this article, we will dive deep into the science behind the health benefits of pineapple. Get ready to discover how this tropical fruit can make a difference in your body and your well-being. Nutrient powerhouse. Pineapples are an excellent source of essential vitamins and minerals that are vital for your body. This tropical delight is loaded with vitamin C, which is crucial for maintaining a strong immune system and promoting overall health. A single serving of pineapple can provide your daily intake of vitamin C, helping to strengthen your immunity, prevent infections, and even help your body absorb iron from food. But the goodness doesn't stop there. Pineapples are rich in manganese, an essential mineral for growth, metabolism, and improved digestion. This tropical fruit is also a great source of fiber, which aids in digestion, as well as vitamins A and K, calcium, and zinc. Additionally, it contains small amounts of folate, copper, and vitamin B6. All these nutrients work together to support your overall health, boosts immunity, and reduces inflammation. One of the most significant benefits of eating pineapple daily is its ability to boost immunity and reduce inflammation. Pineapples are rich in bromelain, a powerful enzyme that has anti-inflammatory properties. Bromelain helps reduce inflammation in the body, particularly in the joints, making it beneficial for individuals suffering from arthritis. Regular consumption of pineapple can also promote the production of white blood cells, which are essential for fighting infections. A study involving children found that those who ate plenty of pineapple had 4 times the number of white blood cells compared to those who didn't. These white blood cells play a critical role in defending the body against harmful pathogens and diseases. In addition to its immune-boosting properties, bromelain has been shown to ease symptoms of arthritis, particularly rheumatoid arthritis. The enzyme works by reducing pain and inflammation in the joints, improving mobility, and enhancing the quality of life for people suffering from this chronic condition. Reduces cancer risk. Did you know that eating pineapple could potentially lower your risk of developing cancer? Pineapples are rich in antioxidants, which are substances that protect your cells from oxidative stress caused by free radicals. Oxidative stress accelerates aging and can lead to various diseases, including cancer. Bromelain plays a key role in fighting cancer cells. Research has shown that bromelain can help kill off breast cancer cells and stop the growth of breast cancer tumors. Other studies have demonstrated that bromelain can eliminate cancer cells in the colon and skin as well. By reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, bromelain strengthens the immune system and helps the body fight off cancer. Speeds up recovery after exercise or surgery. Pineapples aren't just great for boosting your immune system. They also aid in recovery after strenuous exercise or surgery. One of the key reasons for this is bromelain, which has been found to reduce post-surgery inflammation and pain. For example, a study on dental surgery patients revealed that those who consumed bromelain supplements had significantly less discomfort compared to those who didn't. Bromelain helps reduce inflammation, making it an excellent choice for those who want to recover faster after a workout. After intense physical exercise, muscles can become sore due to microtears, causing inflammation. The bromelain in pineapple soothes sore muscles, reduces inflammation, and helps with overall recovery. Research has shown that people who consume bromelain experience less muscle soreness and quicker recovery after exercise. Pineapple is also low in calories, with just 50 calories per 100 grams, making it an ideal fruit to add to your diet if you're looking to lose weight or maintain a healthy weight. helps fight disease and improve digestion. Eating pineapple daily can also help fight disease by enhancing your body's defense mechanisms. Packed with antioxidants, flavonoids, and phenolic acids, pineapples help combat stressors and toxins that we encounter daily. These compounds not only fight inflammation but also protect against chronic aches and pains. Pineapple also plays a significant role in supporting digestive health. Bromelain in pineapple helps break down protein into smaller, more easily digestible compounds. This enzyme aids in the digestion of food, which can alleviate stomach discomfort and promote better gut health. For individuals with pancreatic issues, bromelain has been shown to improve digestion and support the pancreas in producing sufficient digestive enzymes. Easy to add to your diet. One of the best things about pineapple is how easy it is to incorporate into your diet. You can enjoy it fresh, canned, just be sure to check the label for added sugar, or even frozen. Pineapple can be added to smoothies, salads, fruit parfaits, or even as a topping for oatmeal. You can grill or barbecue pineapple slices for a unique twist, or drizzle some organic honey on top for added sweetness. For a quick and tasty treat, you can even add pineapple to savory dishes like pizza or chicken. The versatility of pineapple makes it an excellent choice for a healthy and delicious snack or meal addition. Final thoughts. Why you should start eating pineapple daily. Incorporating pineapple into your daily routine can have an impressive impact on your health. From boosting your immune system and reducing inflammation to potentially lowering your cancer risk and aiding digestion, pineapple offers a wide range of health benefits. Whether you enjoy it fresh, as part of a smoothie, or in your favorite recipes, adding pineapple to your diet is an easy and delicious way to support your body's health. So, the next time you're looking for a healthy snack, reach for a pineapple. Your body will thank you for it. Do you already eat pineapple regularly? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to share this article with your friends and family, because who doesn't want to reap the incredible health benefits of pineapple? If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.